Think organic gardening is expensive? Think again. You don't need a huge budget or fancy equipment to grow healthy, chemical-free vegetables at home. In fact, many of the best organic gardening methods save money while producing delicious food. In this video, I'll show you how to start an affordable organic garden without breaking the bank. Let's dig in. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is trying to grow too much. Instead, start with 3 to 5 containers, 1 small raised bed, a few easy vegetables. A smaller garden costs less, is easier to manage, and helps you build confidence. Healthy plants begin with healthy soil. Instead of relying on synthetic fertilizers, improve your soil naturally by adding compost-aged manure, leaf mold, worm castings. Rich soil feeds your plants naturally and improves every season. Step 3. Make your own compost. One of the easiest ways to save money is by making compost at home. Add items like fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, dry leaves, grass clippings. Avoid adding meat, dairy, oily foods, or pet waste. Over time, these materials break down into nutrient-rich compost that's perfect for your garden. Step 4. Start from seeds. Buying seedlings every year can get expensive. Seed packets often cost just a few dollars and can produce dozens of plants. Easy vegetables to grow from seed include lettuce, radishes, beans, spinach, carrots. Save even more money by collecting seeds from some mature plants for future seasons. Step 5. Water wisely. Water is valuable, so use it efficiently. Helpful tips include water early in the morning, water at the base of the plant. Use mulch to help retain moisture. Water deeply rather than frequently. Step 6. Use natural pest control. You don't need harsh chemicals to protect your garden. Try natural methods like hand-picking pests when practical, encouraging beneficial insects, using insect netting or row covers, keeping plants healthy through proper care. Step 7. Mulch your garden. Mulch is one of the best investments for any organic garden. It helps keep weeds down, hold moisture in the soil, reduce watering, improve soil over time. Step 8. Grow easy vegetables. If you're just starting, choose reliable crops like lettuce, cherry tomatoes, basil, green beans, cucumbers, peppers. These plants are rewarding and help build gardening confidence. Save even more by reusing containers, swapping seeds with friends, repurposing food-grade buckets, buying supplies at end-of-season sales, growing herbs instead of buying fresh bundles every week. Avoid these common pitfalls: buying too many plants at once, using garden soil in containers instead of potting mix, overwatering, ignoring plant spacing, giving up after one mistake. Organic gardening doesn't have to be expensive. By building healthy soil, starting from seeds, composting, and using natural gardening methods, you can grow fresh, healthy food while keeping costs low. The best time to start is today. What's the first organic vegetable you'd love to grow? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner gardening tips, budget-friendly growing ideas, and DIY garden projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.